The snow was falling gently on a small, quiet village. The houses were covered in white, and soft yellow lights shone from the windows. The new year was very close. People were preparing food, cleaning their homes, and waiting for midnight. In one small house lived a little girl named Mia. Mia was kind and calm. She loved winter, but this year she felt a little sad. The year had been difficult for her family. Mia stood near the window and watched the snow. She held a warm cup of milk in her hands. Outside, everything was silent and peaceful. Mia sat at her desk and opened her notebook. She wanted to write a New Year wish, but she did not wish for toys or gifts. She wrote slowly, "I wish for happiness, peace, and hope for everyone in the new year." She folded the paper and placed it near the window. She smiled softly and whispered, "Happy New Year." Far away, in the cold and magical north, Papa Noel was sitting near a warm fire. His red coat was bright, and his long white beard rested on his chest. Suddenly, a gentle wind touched his face. He felt a special wish in the air. Papa Noel closed his eyes and smiled. "This wish comes from a pure heart," he said. He stood up, took his magic bell, and prepared his sleigh. The reindeer were ready. The sky was full of stars. Papa Noel flew across the night sky. Below him, cities and villages were full of lights. People were laughing and waiting for the new year. When Papa Noel arrived at Mia's village, he landed quietly near her house. The snow made no sound. Mia heard a soft bell. She opened the door slowly. Her eyes became wide with surprise. "Papa Noel?" she whispered. Papa Noel knelt down and smiled warmly. "Yes, Mia, I came for your New Year wish." Mia felt happy and safe. She told him, "I did not wish for gifts, I wished for hope." Papa Noel nodded. "The new year is not about what we receive," he said. "It is about new beginnings." He gave Mia a small glowing clock. This clock reminds us that time brings change when we believe. Just then, the village clock rang. 12 o'clock, midnight. The new year had arrived. Fireworks filled the sky with beautiful colors. The glowing clock shone brighter. The village felt warmer. People smiled more. Hope filled the air. Papa Noel stepped back into his sleigh. "Remember, Mia," he said, "every new year begins with kindness." The next morning, the sun rose gently over the snow. Mia woke up smiling. The clock was still glowing softly. She looked outside and saw neighbors helping each other. The village felt peaceful and full of hope. Mia looked at the sky and said quietly, "Thank you. Happy New Year." And the new year began with light, hope, and love.